Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where space is used so you act on the biggest wins first. Open Google Account Storage and note Gmail's share. Then in Gmail search has attachment larger, 5M to find bulky emails. Once you see large attachments, download any you need and delete originals, making sure to empty trash and spam, they still count. While doing this, keep an eye on Drive and Photos usage, since freeing drive space can immediately reduce overall Google storage pressure. Next, you remove bulk mail and attachments with focused searches and deliberate choices. Use operators like older than, 1Y and label, promotions to isolate low-value mail, then select messages in chunks and either archive or delete depending on future need. For threads with attachments, save files to Drive or your computer and then remove the attachment or delete the message. Once done, clear trash to reclaim space. Make sure to repeat search and removal until storage drops to your target level. This prevents accidental over-deleting. To finish, you stop future growth and consolidate existing data. Check Google Photos and switch to Storage Saver if quality trade-offs are acceptable, so photos stop ballooning Gmail-related storage. Also review email forwarding and automatic backups that deposit duplicates into your inbox. Disable or redirect them. Once you've cleaned and adjusted settings, verify storage levels in the account dashboard. If space is still insufficient, either buy a 100 GB plan or export old.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.